Mirage Library, and today we're going to be talking about how to install one of my favorite apps, Libby by Overdrive, on one of these three fun devices. We have an Apple iPad, a Kindle Fire, and a Samsung Galaxy tablet. All right, so what I'm holding in my hands right here is our iPad, our Apple iPad. This is our home screen right here. And what we're gonna do is we're gonna go ahead, we're gonna install Libby by Overdrive. In order to do that, first make sure you're connected to the Wi-Fi. I'm just gonna I'm just gonna do my settings real quick. And I'm gonna check Wi-Fi and we'll see, yep, we're connected to MCLD Wireless Public, so we're good to go. So I'm gonna press our home button right here. And then I'm going to go to the App Store, which is this icon right there, or this right here where it says App Store. I'm going to give that a tap. I'm going to pull up the App Store. I'm going to go ahead and tap the search bar, and I'm just going to type in Libby, L-I-B-B-Y, and you'll see it's already up there in my recommendeds. I'll hit search, and it's going to be this first one we see right here, Libby by Overdrive with a sort of maroon colored background. That's Libby poking her head behind a book. We're going to go ahead and tap that. It's going to pull it up right here, and what we're going to do is we're going to download it. So we're going to press this button with the cloud and the arrow on it right here. Then we'll give it a minute. All right, and it's ready to rock. We can press open. Or if we don't want to do that, if we go to the home screen, which we were here originally, we'll move over and we'll see Libby is in this corner right here and also on the taskbar. Then, once you're here, it'll ask you if you have a library card. If you do have one from us, you'll hit yes. If not, you'll visit us at one of our locations or online and get one. Then what you'll do is you'll search for a library. You'll type in Maricopa County, and it's this one right here, Greater Phoenix Digital Library. That's us. And then you'll sign in with your card and you'll choose Maricopa County Library District, and then you'll just punch in your library card number and PIN number. Your library card number lives on the back of your library card underneath the barcode, and your PIN number is the last 4 digits of your phone number. This device I have in my hands right here is a Kindle Fire. Just like before, what we're going to want to do first is we're going to want to make sure we're connected to the Wi-Fi. So I'm going to go ahead, pull down the menu, and it will show this right here, shows that we're connected to our Wi-Fi. Next thing we'll want to do is we'll want to go to the App Store, which in this machine we'll see right here it says Apps and has that trademark Amazon smirk on it. Oh, we're going to retry. There we go. It forgot we were connected to the Wi-Fi, but now it remembered. Sometimes you just got to hit retry a couple times. Then what we're going to do is we're going to click on that handy dandy magnifying glass to search for the app we want, which in this case is Libby by Overdrive, which it automatically filled because I was looking for it earlier. But if you hadn't already done that, you'll just type in L-I-B-B-Y, and there you can see it's already automatically recommending it. We'll search. It's this first one right here. There's Libby with her head poked behind a book. We'll go ahead, we'll hit download. And we'll see it's downloading and then it's installing. And then we'll go ahead, we'll hit open. And there we are. It's going to ask you if you have a library card. And if you do have a library card with us, which I hope you do, you'll hit yes. If not, you can always get one by visiting us or going to our website and applying for a digital library card. And once you've done that, you'll hit yes. And then it'll ask which library you're part of. You'll search for a library. And then you'll type in Maricopa County, and there'll be this one right here, Maricopa County Library District, Greater Phoenix Digital Library. Then once we're there, you'll sign in with your card. You'll choose Maricopa County Library District. Then you'll put in your library card number right here. That can be found on the back of your library card underneath the barcode. And then it'll also ask for your PIN number. That's the last 4 digits of your phone number. Once you've put that in, you'll be ready to start browsing Libby. All right, so this machine I have in my hands right here is a Samsung Galaxy tablet. Just like with the others, the first thing we're going to do is we're going to make sure that the Wi-Fi is on. So I'm going to pull down the little menu here, and we're going to see this icon right here with the Wi-Fi symbol. We're going to make sure it's blue. That means we're connected to the Wi-Fi. Then the next thing we're going to do is we're going to visit the Play Store, which is this icon right here with this multicolored arrow. It says Play Store on it. This is where you get all your apps and fun things. And I'll pull up the Play Store right here. We'll see just this home page with some suggested apps, some deals going on. And we're going to tap this top part right here where it says Search Apps and Games, has a magnifying glass. And you can see I've already looked for Libby in the past, but I'm going to type it out longhand again, just because it probably won't be there for you. We're going to type Libby. Then we're going to hit the magnifying glass again to search. It'll be this first one that gets pulled up right here, Libby by Overdrive. It'll have this maroon colored icon with Libby with her head poked behind a book. We're going to hit the blue button that says Install. And it's going to load. It's going to install. Then once all that's done, we're going to go ahead, we're going to hit the blue button that says Open. And it's going to take us to Libby. Once we're there, it'll ask you if you have a library card. You'll say yes, because hopefully you already have one. If not, you can always visit us in person or visit our website and sign up for a digital library card. And once you've done that, you'll be able to come here and you'll say, do you have a library card? And you'll be able to say yes. Then once you've done that, you'll tell it you're going to want to search for a library, because this is how it knows what library you're part of. And you're going to type in Maricopa, and you'll see this, Maricopa County Library District, Greater Phoenix Digital Library, this first option right here. We're going to tap it. Then once we're there, it's going to ask you if you have a card. We're going to say, yep, we're going to sign in with our card. We're going to choose Maricopa County Library District, this one right there. It's already selected. And then you'll type in your card number, which that's underneath the barcode on the back of your library card. And then it'll ask for your PIN number, which that's the last 4 digits of your phone number. Once you've done that, you'll be able to browse and check out books, ebooks, and all sorts of other materials from Libby to your heart's content. Thanks for watching. I hope you learned something about my favorite app, Libby by Overdrive, and how to install it on one of your devices at home. And if you have any questions about how to do this or what we can do to help, feel free to visit us at any of our in-person locations on the web at mcldaz.org or by giving us a call at 602-652-3000. Have a great day.